Unaimwesa stereo nofumkosi unoimba sonyediwa. Yeah, sure. Track dzaonediwa idyo. No, great. In few minutes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah. No, sorry for that. I see, man. I'm gonna be launching my drone in a couple of minutes time, and then this is where we're gonna see the whole geographical area. Yeah, when I'm and she's hustling my face. She's trying her level best, and this is what we call hustle. That's what life is all about. You keep trying, keep trying, you keep trying, you keep trying, keep making it, keep failing, you keep falling, you keep rising, you are a star at the end of the day. So basically that's what we're doing. It's a vlog. We're happy, we're tired. Look at that vision line up there. Life is great here. Awesome stuff. Oh yes, Lord. Hello. Hey, Danny. Yeah, man. How many guys? Diana, humble of radio. It seems like we've arrived. Finally, I'm here.